2017 में जब जीएसटी आया तब लगा कि काफ़ी चीज़ें आसान हो जाएंगी, लेकिन अभी सबसे ज़्यादा प्रॉब्लम आती है जीएसटी रिफ़ंड को लेके। हम लोग ई-कॉमर्स एक्सपोर्ट करते हैं, लेकिन हमारा डोमेस्टिक सेल नहीं होता, तो हमारा जो आईटीसी एक्यूमुलेट होता है वो रिफ़ंड नहीं ले पाते हम लोग। जब हमारा पुराना टिन नंबर हमने लिया था, उस समय हमने एफडी जमा कराई थी, वो लेने में विभाग से बहुत बड़ी परेशानी आती है। उसके अलावा जो परेशानियाँ आती हैं वो लगातार हमें नोटिस जो विभाग में आते हैं उनको जाके सेटल करवाना बहुत मुश्किल होता है। जो हमें चैलेंजेस आते हैं वो आरसीएम को लेके आते हैं। रिवर्स चार्ज मैकेनिज्म में जो पे आउट हमें करना पड़ता है वो बैंक से हमें करने के लिए दिया जाता है, और हमारा आईटीसी हम यूज़ भी नहीं कर पाते। तो हमारी सरकार से दरख्वास्त है कि जो ई-कॉमर्स एक्सपोर्टर्स हैं उनकी जो फ़ीस और कमीशन पे आरसीएम है उसको आईटीसी से पे करने के लिए अलाउ किया जाए। इसके अलावा जो छोटे अमाउंट्स के हमारे रिफंड्स बन रहे हैं आईजीएसटी में, गवर्नमेंट ने बोला है कि 1000 से नीचे के जो भी आईजीएसटी रिफंड्स हैं वो प्रोसेस किए जाएंगे, लेकिन वो अभी तक किए नहीं गए। उसको जल्दी से जल्दी किया जाए, और हमें रिफंड्स को लेके ज़्यादा कंसर्न है, उसको वॉरफुट बेसिस पे प्रोसेस करके हमें रिलीफ दी जाए।
We would like to congratulate the government, the authorities for this historic step of GST regime 2.0. Of course, something of this magnitude, something as historic as this initiative comes with its own set of teething issues. We have huge inventory available all across the country, and adjusting the price is a bit of a task, but it is nothing as compared to the long-term benefits us as business and consumers at large will have. As far as the complications in the GST is concerned, we do not have a complaint. I would say rather a suggestion that if there could be a centralized GST number for companies operating pan-India, it would make our life much simpler, our paperwork much cleaner. We could operate out of a single GST at different locations in the country. It will be, I believe, it will be helpful for businesses like us. I would suggest and recommend if we could operate out of a single centralized GST rather than state-wise GST, especially working with e-commerce when you are operating your business out of the warehouse owned by the portal itself. It would make much less cumbersome the experience of registering GST state-wise. It would help us expand our reach to the nation, so going from national deliveries to regional to local deliveries. We could be in more places, getting to our consumers much faster in the most efficient and cheapest way. Every state has its own set of requirements. Sometimes it's different than the other state. That could be avoided, and things could flow and move much faster than otherwise.
Today I was at GST Samvad, organized by India SME Forum. Here we discussed various issues related to GST registration, e-way bills and GST filings. While registering on GST portal, we face some technical issues or delays from GST department side, and certain e-way bills like deemed taxes charges on while generating e-way bill or multiple e-way bills. So we get a clarity on that e-way bills part also, that we can generate as many e-way bills as we want and as it is required by the business.
My issue with GST is that when you want to play big, when you want to provide business to these women, you need a GST number. That is what I was told. Though the catch is that 20 lakhs or 40 lakhs bracket, I don't fall in either of them. But still, to get the suppliers on board or to bring that authentication into my business name, I need to apply for the GST. Apart from taking the GST number, I had no clue about how to go about it. So that is what was my concern, that if this entire process can be simplified through an app, wherein with every sale of my product, where we are upcycling, so automatically we are saving the environment, we are creating the circular economy, we are reviving handicrafts, so many issues being solved together in one and generating employment, of course. With keeping these things in mind, with the compliances and all, how can I get a simplified version of filing my GST? Because if I focus my attention on filing GST, how will I focus on my work then?
इंडिया जिस तरह से बढ़ रहा है ऑनलाइन, तो ऑनलाइन में हमें वर्क करना चाहिए। मुझे लगता है हर बिजनेसमैन अपने जीएसटी रिटर्न टाइम पे देना चाहता है, इवन एडवांस देना चाहता है, ठीक है, लेकिन उसको थोड़ा यूज़र फ्रेंडली बनाना पड़ेगा ताकि वो घर बैठे अपने फ़ोन से या इस तरह से वो कर सके।